What if one AI update in 2026 could double your business output or replace it? Right now, businesses are running on outdated workflows, while AI is learning at exponential speed. In 2026, advanced AI systems are becoming multimodal, autonomous, and decision-capable. Small businesses will compete with corporations. Solo entrepreneurs will operate like full teams. Here's where the money is. From idea to launch in under 1 hour. The danger isn't AI replacing you. It's someone using AI replacing you. Start here. "2026 isn't about artificial intelligence. It's about augmented. Those who adapt will build faster than ever before." Comment your answer. The best idea will be featured in the next episode.